How to use text in Silhouette Studio. Step 1. Locate and select the text icon on the left panel. Step 2. Type in a text and open the text style panel from the right toolbar panel to choose a font. Step 3. You can also use the quick access toolbar to choose a font that's installed on the computer. Step 4. You can adjust the size from the text style drop-down. Step 5. To change color, click Fill Color in the quick access toolbar and select a color. Step 6. To enter text editing mode, double-click the text. Step 7. If you wish to change just a few characters of the text, highlight the characters while you're in the text editing mode. Step 8. When you're in text editing mode, you can use the slider bar on the right to create line breaks in the text. Step 9. If you want your text to type vertically, choose the vertical option in the text style panel. Step 10. To get each letter in its own line, drag the slider and the letters will move down. Step 11. You can change the text justification from the text style panel or the quick access toolbar. Step 12. You can adjust the space between the lines from line spacing in the text style panel. Step 13. Adjust the space between the letters from the character spacing section in the text style panel. Step 14. Kerning is turned on by default and it's used to adjust the spacing between letters in the font so they fit better together. Step 15. Bold, italic, underline and other options are also available depending on the font you're using. Step 16. If you are using a font that has extra characters, a drop-down menu will be available next to the underline option. Step 17. To add offset to the text, click the offset tool in the right toolbar, then set the offset distance. Step 18. If you want to convert your text into italics, go to the transform panel in the right toolbar and select the shear tab. Step 19. Before you use any modify tool such as welding, click the duplicate icon in the quick access toolbar and set the duplicated text aside. Step 20. To keep overlapping letters from cutting into each other, select the text and click Weld in the quick access toolbar. Step 21. The second way to keep overlapping letters from cutting into each other is to go to Send panel, select the text and click Cut Edge. Step 22. To add glyphs to the text, go to Text Style, select the second tab and the special characters will be available. Step 23. The last tab in the text style is Spell Checker. You can use it to check and correct if you've any misspelled words on the page. Step 24. The advanced options lets you turn off automatic spell checking, select alternate dictionaries and add new words to custom dictionary. Step 25. You can also copy text from another program and paste it into Silhouette Studio with or without starting the text cursor. Step 26. If you wish to fill the text with pattern, select Fill on the right panel, select Pattern, then select one to use. Step 27. If you want the pattern to look uniform, click Weld in the quick access toolbar. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.